Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So before I explain you the analysis in Nifty and Bank Nifty, I just want to make sure that you guys have seen my free 1 hour analysis video, which I will share it in the description, which is still valid for the upcoming weeks because all the stocks that we discussed in that 1 hour video is valid for at least 1 month. And also I have uploaded 1 hour free, not free, a paid analysis video, but for the first 15 minutes it's free, so you can use make use of that video as well, because I have few stocks mentioned over there which are still valid, and you can add this on your watch list. So I want you to check all these two videos. I don't want you to miss it because again it's quite valuable. And let's get started with the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. What is happening with Nifty? Let me just show you the chart. I hope you can see this Nifty chart here. Okay, what is happening? So this layer, right? Sorry, this line. You can consider this to be a very good resistance line, and Nifty is kind of playing around that line. Okay, if you look at this, Nifty is around this line. This is the main trend line, and I also have found a medium resistance line, which is this. And Nifty is just playing around this area, so you are not supposed to take any action in this, because it can break out or it can fall. Okay, if it falls, uh, so the thing here, the trick here is, what can happen is it can break out. Okay, and then there could be a wick, because there could be a trap on either side. So even when it breaks out, I want you to be a little careful, because what can happen is, as I mentioned, there is a breakout, and then the next 1 hour candle there will be a huge red candle, in which you may hit your stop loss. Same goes for downside. Let's say if it is breaking down, you can it can form a red candle here, and the next 1 hour it can form a green candle and recover back. So be careful with the scam candles here, because it can occur. And don't fall for the first 15 minutes breakout or 30 minutes breakout. Just make sure to wait for 1 hour or 2 hour. Half of the day is also fine. Or yeah, it's always better to wait for the close and see how it turns out. And even when, let's say, it is breaking out in the last 1 hour, wait for next day when the market opens. Wait for 1 hour or 2 hours and see if that is being sustained. Okay, because this is where there will be a lot of fake breakouts. Okay, and you have to be very careful. This is a very important trend line which you shouldn't ignore. And this is how Nifty looks. It is around a very crucial trend line. And yeah, if you ask me what is going to happen, break down or break out, no one knows. Okay, forget about me. Even the renowned traders, or the top traders, they have no clue. So let's just stick with what all you have to do is assume certain outcomes, and what are you going to do with those outcomes. Okay, you just have to be prepared for that. You don't have to predict, okay, Nifty is going there, I'm going to buy this. No, don't do that. This is a very crucial piece of advice. Okay, if you do this, you will, so this is how you go about when it comes to training. It's not like I will make money after making analysis. No, it's not about predicting the movement of the stock. It's about what you're going to do when certain things are happening. Okay, so we are just preparing for that. And let's look at Bank Nifty. um, okay, it's not good, the fact that it has not even crossed this. Because see, the thing is, you cannot ignore a red candle like this. um, I will feel comfortable only when this is broken with good volume and there is a, a support or something like that, this is when I'm bullish. Until and unless this is not broken, I have no interest in bank nifty. Okay, so mm, yeah, even if you look at the smaller time frame, I don't like the wicks here. Okay, I don't like these wicks. I don't like these wicks. I don't like the. This is fine. Wicks at the bottom is fine, but wicks at the top are not very good. So we have to wait and see how it all unfolds, because bank nifty is not that great when compared to nifty. Okay, so this is my maybe I'll be a little bit interested in nifty when things go well, but when it comes to bank nifty, I'm not interested. So what I'll do is I'll just add an alert at this price, so that when this area touches, only then I'll look at bank nifty. I'm not going to even look at it. Okay, because my only single criteria here is this break. So I don't give any, I don't care about it, if it is just moving like this, or I don't care anything that is happening here. I'm only caring when it is breaking this area. So this is why I set an alert. I'm not even looking at it if it's not touching this area, and then I will think what to do. It's not like I will buy after this alert, guys. I want you to be very clear, because people are confusing, even for the IRB. I want to be very clear, because people, just because I post IRB doesn't mean that you just buy blindly. I've said this many times. What happened in IRB? There are two things. Okay, the people who bought it during the close, they are the valid ones. Your trade is valid. Okay, the one who bought it, I don't think anyone. I made the first video I made was around here. Okay, so very few, I think one or two bought it during the breakout on Friday close. Okay, and then I made a video on Saturday or Sunday saying that, okay, if you can buy this because this is bullish. And what happened? The next day it gapped down, and still many people bought it just because I posted a video on IRB. But aren't you supposed to do a basic analysis like, okay, what is happening? There is a gap down. Let me see if the previous day high is broken, and then I'll consider buying, or or let me see if there is a recovery. There was no recovery. Gap down itself tells you something. It's bearish, and sometimes, yeah, it can be manipulated. So what happens after the gap down? It goes up. And did it go up a little bit? No, it was clearly bearish, and still people went on to buy IRB on Monday, and they are like, should I sell, or what can I do? Like, I can do all the analysis, but you are supposed to do a minimal basic analysis before you enter, which I tell everyone. I did not buy it. So on Friday, so for example, I would have bought it on Friday, but I couldn't buy. If you have bought it on Friday, it is a genuine stop loss hit, guys, because it is a very neat breakout. It had a good volume. All this red candle has been, all the sellers have been killed here, and it closed very strong. On Friday, I absolutely would have bought it, but on Monday, I would have waited and see what is happening. So the moment it gapped down, I wouldn't have traded, which is what I expected from some of you people. But it is quite disappointing to see people just blindly buy it just because I post on few stocks. That is not the intent, guys. I'm not giving you any calls here. This is just an analysis video. I'm just giving you a push, to help you analyze, to help you pick few stocks. Okay, and don't just blindly buy it. Do the basic research. The reason why I'm explaining all these charts in my channel is because you'll learn. And I'm not here to give calls, so I just want to be very clear. And yeah, on Friday when you bought it, it's a stop loss. On Monday when you bought it, it's your mistake, guys. So yeah, what's next with IRB? I see this one. Okay, this this is a very good trend line. So there has been a support already, 1 2 3 4, and here also. In case if you want to place your stop loss below this, go ahead and yeah, you can place it. That is the most decent place where you can place your stop loss. Let's see. Okay, but I don't like this red candle. It is not a very good sign, and there hasn't been a very good recovery candle also. What can happen, it can just chop off for a little more time, and then it can try to move up. Nevertheless, IRB is still, you would be in profit when I posted it here. Okay, if you're still holding or something, I posted it here. So yeah, that's there. This is where I posted. Okay, so it's already 100% of if you are just still holding. uh, so yeah, that would be all, guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and also please make sure to check my mid cap and small cap course. I have uploaded many potential stocks there. It's not hard for you to watch that and get benefited out of it. You'll get 10 times the value you pay in terms of knowledge, and yeah, the potential stocks as well. And again, it's not a call. I don't give you calls. I just analyze. I help you pick the right stock, and you have to take your own decision. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. Please make sure to use the links in the description, and I will be coming back again with another good analysis video. Thank you so much.